Welcome to my real estate expert channel on YouTube. I'm Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert in buying and selling residential properties. I have a 10 years strong record of success in the Ottawa area, and I'm uniquely qualified to handle your transaction. Are you looking to buy a new home, or are you looking to sell your home, or you just wanted to stay up to date for what is going on Ottawa real estate market? You're in the right place. Just subscribe to this channel and put the thumbs up. First and foremost, I'm passionate about all things in real estate. Whether it's exploring beautiful properties or providing insightful information to my home buyers or discussing the secrets of successful property investment, we have it all covered. And if I don't have those videos yet, they are in preparation. I will be your guide through the buying or selling properties in Ottawa, and this is what this channel is going to be about. Share with you my expertise, my expert advice, my practical advice to help you to make a good and informed decisions when you buy the properties in Ottawa. Every week, I'm planning to bring you 2 videos. It's gonna be property tours, it's gonna be showcasing stunning homes and unique architectural designs. Get ready to be inspired by breathtaking houses. I want to take you to luxurious amenities and amazing picturesque locations. It's all going to be here. And you're going to travel with me to a different homes, and we're going to visit them with our buyers. But it's not all about the aesthetics, and I do understand that. This part is going to be mostly for your entertainment. I do understand that buying a home or investing into the house, it is a very big and serious financial decision. I have a very good, deep understanding of our local Ottawa market. I will cover topics in this channel like home staging, renovations, do-it-yourself projects, and the tips for that, and the tips for sale by owners, and a different insights that people need to make a decision if they want to sell their house on their own or just to take the agent. I believe that the home, it is not only an investment, it is a very solid reflection of you and what you are all about and how you want to live. If you are a first home buyer, if you're a seasoned professional in buying and selling homes, if you're relocating to Ottawa, my channel gonna be for you. I want you to join me as I embark on this beautiful journey, and just asking for your support.